away for a picture. Oh, sorry, I need to sneeze. Wait a minute, where did he go? You're Dr. Katie. I think there's a disease there with Yellowman. I've heard about it, but I haven't seen it. It's called the teleportation disease. When you sneeze, then you teleport. Yeah, sometimes when you sneeze, you can teleport into another world, another dimension. What is this place? Wait, is that a dinosaur? What's that smell? Is that a human? I love humans. They taste so nice. I'm Mrs. Honey the T-Rex. I love humans, especially when they look like honey. Let's eat him! Please don't eat me! Achoo! Where did he go? He was gonna be tasty. Everyone's so sleepy in this place. This is sleepy love. I'm tired. I need to sleep with you. No, don't sleep here. If you do, you'll be trapped for millions of years. Achoo! I really want to see Yellowman. I hope he's okay. Yeah, me too. But let's go to the doctors and see if the doctor made some cure for Yellowman. Hi, Doctor. Can we come to your lab? Yeah, sure. Have you found a cure for Yellowman yet? Yeah, just... Yes, I have. It's, yeah. So hopefully this will cure him for the sneezing disease. We've got the cure, but all we need is Yellowman. If we shout, then he might be able to hear us from that country. Yellowman! 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 Achoo! Where am I? Uh-oh! Who are them? Dum dum, dum dum, dum dum, dum dum, dum dum, Dum dum. Yellowman! Yellowman! So we have to give the medicine to you before Both of them just disappeared. How did they do that? Achoo! At least we're back home in Yellowland. Okay, let's give this cure to you before you sneeze again. We can also get sick. Why don't you just sneeze at us? Okay. Achoo! Wait, it's not here.